University Liaison Indonesia. I'm majoring in Hotel and Tourism Management. So today I'm gonna make a video to fulfill my housekeeping practical video assignment for Mr. Sandi and Mr. Adi. So behind my back, I'm gonna make my bed as quick as possible. So I'm gonna use timer here, but I'm gonna fast forward the video to not to make the video way too long. So it took me 2 minutes and 36 seconds to really going up with the details, and yeah, that's all for me. Thank you for watching.